Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to join the Discord server of Marvel Rivals. First, you need to go to the Discord. After going to Discord, you have to go to the Discover page. Click on Discover. You can get the featured servers here, as I am getting the Marvel Rivals here. But for you, I will tell you how to search it. Type Marvel Rival in the search option and then enter. You can see this option here. Click on the Marvel Rivals option and then from above click on Join Marvel Rivals. After you click on Join Marvel Rivals, you can see that they will ask you the question of the language do you speak, then from which region you are, and then about the notifications. You have to answer the questions by yourself, then click on finish. After clicking on finish, you are inside the server now. So I hope this video has helped you. If it does help you, then please like and share our video, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching.